It could go any minute. I can tell you with 40 years experience, I'm pretty confident this thing's going to tornado very soon. Look at it spin. Come on, it's just Ben's dad. We got no mic in our group. Not us. We would never bring a mic. Oh, dude, look at this thing.
See it hanging down there, it's rotating back and oh my god.
Oh, this is
RFD cutting in.
Have you reported this? Yeah. Because this is going to go.
Yeah. I'm surprised this isn't tornado warned again.
I've been reporting problems for the last.
It's still severe warned.
That was so close back there, though.
I'm like, third way they're gonna make that half.